In every part of the world, Kum Kee is instrumental in bringing authentic Asian flavors to a global audience, allowing consumers to enjoy the distinctive flavor of Asian cuisine. From its humble beginnings in 1888, Kum Kee was established by Kum Sheung and has transformed into a global company with 6 production bases worldwide, from across Asia to the United States, and a product range spanning over 300 types of sauces and condiments, selling to more than 100 countries and regions. Our diverse range of products caters to different consumers' tastes, preferences and cultures. Kum Kee has become a symbol of quality and trust, but its commitment to quality is no accident. This is done through pragmatism, integrity, constant entrepreneurship, considering others' interests, benefiting the community and sharing the fruits of success. These 6 core values are the guiding principles of what we do. This is how Kum Kee has grown to be a loved brand around the world, keeping our quality and our commitment to our consumers through every part of our value chain. At the heart of Kum Kee is our commitment to quality. From farm to table, every part of the production process is strictly monitored. This unwavering commitment to quality is what we call 100 minus 1 equals 0. Simply put, we don't compromise on anything, ensuring only the highest quality products. From the raw ingredients such as oysters, soybeans and chilies to stringent quality control, ensuring our products never compromise on quality or taste. Kum Kee believes in the spirit of constant entrepreneurship. This is shown by the innovation of numerous on-trend sauces and commitment to automation and digital transformation. Our ESG efforts include promoting green production through utilizing renewable energy, recycling water and reducing packaging waste. In fact, Kum Kee was the first company in the global fermented food industry to receive LEED Platinum certification for its production base in Zhuhai, China. Kum Kee is committed to making a positive impact on the community by giving back through its corporate mission of promoting Chinese culinary culture worldwide, promoting culinary exchange and nurturing young talents, empowering them to pursue successful careers in the food industry at home and abroad, supporting our local communities through volunteer programs, food bank donations, elderly care and other CSR projects. A brand loved around the world, a consumer-first company committed to a better future. We are Kum Kee.